she got lots of different horses by lots of different men. And